Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing a image, a tool that claims to enhance videos and image from your web browser using AI. This is a tool to automatically improve your image and videos. I like those kind of tools that use AI and default configuration to improve the quality of your video and audio, because I create a lot of content, and if you can just automate the post-production, it works a lot, and it helps me to create a better content with better quality, saving a lot of time what I need. And I'm planning to buy the highest tier here if it works well. I'm gonna test with you guys, and you can see here that we will get all the future standard plan updates, and the image credits do not roll over or accumulate over time, so you need to use all of them monthly. The credits will renew, and if you buy tier 1, 22 credits, tier 2, 5 credits, and tier 3, 110 credits. I'm for sure getting the tier 2, but I will work harder to try to get the tier 3, then I will get more credits per month. Credits are not for one image or one video. The tool will calculate the kind of change that you want to create, and with their own calculation, they will take some credit from you. Okay, I'm gonna show you how the tool works. So here is the dashboard where you can upload image to process and upload videos to process. Okay, we're gonna start with image. You can see here the upscale, smart noise, aqua filter. I'm gonna start with the image for the sake of that review. I just uploaded an image. It's here, ready to process, and you can see a free preview and with one of those settings. Aqua filter, 200% AI upscale, 400 and smart noise. Let's try the free preview of the aqua filter. You can see that I do not lose 1 credit for that image. I will lose 1/4, almost 1/4 of credit. My image is much better with that upgrade. I'm gonna try another one. So it's already sold me. Okay, let's try another one. I'm gonna try this 400 AI upscale. The same image. This credit is more expensive. It takes more time to improve that one. As you can see, you can preview all your changing before you buy it. It's done now. You can see the preview. Much better quality, as you can see here. I'm gonna try now with an image that I took with my iPhone at the time. Let's try that one. I'm gonna do the smart noise. Let's create a free preview. My image is also much better with the noise. Okay, so those are the improvements that you can create by now with the image. And you can also save in 2 different formats, JPEG and PNG. Now let's see the videos. I'm gonna upload one of my videos here, a YouTube video that I actually use it. So here is the video. Then we're gonna click on enhance. The full process will cost 0.25. Then I'm gonna select the features. Well, which features they have? They have FPS booster, film cleaner, decompressor. They will explain here. Let's see. The interlacer, what it does. Best used on interlaced format that were converted to progressive formats. Okay, they will go from there to there. All the digital footage like VHS or Betacam. Noise reduction, so remove various forms of noise from video. Best used on video shot in poor light conditions, video shot with high ISO settings in grainy videos. Let's try that one. Oh, see, it costs a lot of credits. Can you see it here? A lot of credit for 5 minutes video, so you need to consider that. Color restorer, best used on older videos with several color shifts. Film cleaner, best used on old film formats converted to digital formats. FPS booster, best used on videos with frame rate lower than 20 fps, achieving smooth 60 FPS video look. Slow motion, best used in scenes that will look way cooler in slow motion. So you can create a slow motion with that. 400 increase resolution by 4. and creates details. Compress videos on YouTube. The full process will cost me 100 credits for a 5 minutes video. Is a lot. The compressor. Videos with a lot of block artifacts. Videos from online source like YouTube, TikTok. If I try both, let's see, I can't, I need to select one. Dropout booster, best used on VHS and Betacam. 200 AI, videos with resolutions, blah, 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 compressed videos. So let's see a free preview of that one. And you can train the video as well and change the coding quality and the output. So as you can see with that video, I can generate a free preview. I'm gonna upload a shorter video. Let's see if I can do it. I'm gonna try with that one. You'll be able to see the preview here on in progress. It will take about 7 minutes to decompress, 1 minute video. So I managed to enhance 3 videos and I found the best result was the 400 AI upscale. I think those videos enhancements will work better if you have an SD and you want to, upgrade the quality of the video, but not specifically to, add filter to videos. But the image that I've changed, I liked the result better than the videos that I tried. I think the videos costs a lot of image credits. However, if you have, for instance, a VHS that you want to improve the quality, or even if you want to add slow motion and enhance specific videos, adding the quality that they are suggesting you to do in the tutorial, you can have good results with it. So it depends of your use case. Take a look at the tool. I have added the description with the best price in the description, and let me know what you like if you like it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.